Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. In this recipe, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make a homemade katsu sauce. What is katsu sauce, you say? Well, it's an easy to make Japanese dipping sauce. A lot of people call it a Japanese-style barbecue sauce that goes great with fried pork or fried chicken cutlets. For this particular recipe, it's the one that I like to use. I've added my own touch. I've added cherry and ginger. So I'm going to show you how to make a cherry ginger katsu sauce. Round up a mixing bowl and add half of a cup or 125 grams of the ketchup of your choice. You'll be super excited to know that this is a no-cook type recipe. Throw everything into the bowl, mix it, let it sit in the fridge for roughly about 30 minutes, and bam, you're ready to dive in. The next ingredient, dark brown sugar. If you don't have dark brown sugar, light brown sugar will work as well. 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. To this, you'll add soy sauce. Regular soy works great. Low sodium, that's perfectly fine. 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, drop it in. And you know, this sauce, it would be a great chicken tender or chicken nugget dipping sauce. If you're looking for an alternative to a Chick-fil-A sauce, this is an easy one to whip up real quick and it's super tasty. Next up to bat, mirin, half of a tablespoon or roughly about 7 milliliters. To add a touch of tanginess, apple cider vinegar, half of a tablespoon, 7 milliliters. This particular homemade katsu sauce I really like to make in the summertime. Why, you may ask? Well, because the cherries, they're fresh and readily available. Round up 2 cherries, wash them, and then pit them. The sauce that I'm showing you how to make here today is going to be a smooth sauce, so I'm going to juice these 2 cherries with a garlic press. If you'd like to go for a chunky sauce, you could always chop up these cherries and just add them to the mix. And I'm going to do the same thing again here with a small notch of ginger. It's roughly about a tablespoon worth of ginger. Put it into the garlic press and squeeze out that delicious juice. You could also use a microplane, grate all of the ginger up into a bowl, and then press or squeeze out all of the juice into the sauce. So hang in there, not too complicated, just a few more ingredients. Next up to bat, half of a teaspoon of onion powder. And you'll add half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to save the best for last, everybody's favorite, what's it sauce. Pour in 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. That takes care of all of the ingredients. Now you just really have to mix it all together, and I find that using a whisk works best. Your goal here is to mix it all together to combine the ingredients and to dissolve that brown sugar into the sauce. After a quick minute or so, this is what it should look like. It's rich, it's thick, you can just see the deliciousness. This sauce, once you try it, you're going to be addicted to it. It's so delicious and easy to make. So say goodbye to that old Chick-fil-A sauce and hello to that homemade cherry and ginger katsu sauce. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you like this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you like sauces and gravies, check out the Sauce and Gravy cookbook, Sauces Made Simply. It has 70 of the top Sauce and Gravy channel recipes all in one place. If you'd like a copy, I'll put links in the description section below, as well as on the Sauce and Gravy channel website. Thanks again for watching, and I do hope you get to try out this recipe. It's absolutely one of my favorites. But remember, until next time, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.